This conversation is between friends at the airport before heading to their respective gates.
Hey, Tom.
Hi, Alice.
Fancy meeting you here.
Yeah,
Are you traveling today?
I'm flying to Chicago for a work conference. What about you?
I'm off to visit my family in Boston.
That's nice.
How long will you be in Chicago?
Just for the weekend. How long are you staying in Boston?
For a week. I haven't seen my family in months.
Family time is always nice. When's your flight?
In about 2 hours. Yours?
Mine is in an hour. I should head to my gate soon.
Same here. It was nice to meet you.
Have a safe flight and a great time in Boston.
Thanks, Tom. You too. Have a good trip to Chicago.
Thanks, Alice. Take care.
This conversation reflects the typical interaction between friends who are discussing their travel plans and experiences at the airport.
Hey, Mark. Long time no see.
Hey, Julia.
Are you heading out or coming back?
I'm heading out to New York. What about you?
Just got back from a vacation in Hawaii.
Sounds fantastic.
How was the weather?
Perfect. Sunny and warm every day. How long are you going to be in New York?
Just for a few days.
When's your flight?
It's in about an hour. I should head to my gate soon. How about you?
Yeah, just landed an hour ago. Waiting for my luggage now.
Have a safe trip home.
Thanks, Mark. Have a great trip to New York.
Thanks, Julia. Safe travels to you too. Bye.
This conversation shows discussions and concerns of a family traveling together.
All right, everyone. Is everyone ready to go through security?
Yes, I think we have everything. Kids, do you have your boarding passes?
I've got mine, Mom. I'm so excited for our trip. Me too. I can't wait to get on the plane.
Let's head to the security checkpoint then. Remember to take out your electronics and liquids.
Don't forget to take off your shoes and belts. It'll make things faster.
Okay, Dad. I hope we get to see the pilot. Yeah, that would be so cool. Mom, can I have my snacks now?
Not yet. We'll have a snack after we get through security.
After security, we can find our gate and relax.
Do we have enough time before the flight?
Yes, we have plenty of time to grab a bite to eat.
Yay! I hope there's a place with ice cream.
This conversation captures the excitement of a newly married couple at the airport to start their honeymoon adventure.
Wow, we're on our honeymoon.
Yes. Are you ready to go through security?
Yes, I've our passports and tickets. Do you have the boarding passes?
Yep, they're on my phone.
Let's head to security.
Great. After we get through, let's find something to eat. I'm starving.
Me too.
Maybe we can find a nice cafe.
I can't wait to get to the beach.
It's going to be amazing.
Let's get through security and start our adventure.
Sounds perfect. I'm so excited to spend this time with you.